from root to end. Guys, my hands are shaking. It's straight, it's straight, it's straight, it's straight. Yeah, it is straight. Oh my lord. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today I'm gonna straighten my hair.
I'm not falling for that.
My actual hair with heat. For real, for real. If you're not new to this channel, then you already know that I've never straightened my natural hair before. Well, I have practically made it my channel's mission to find every single heatless way to straighten my hair. But to straighten my hair, like for real, it's gonna be my first time. So TYMO Beauty reached out, interested in sponsoring a video on my channel. And initially, they were going to send me their diffuser. You know, it's like a blow dryer with like a big cup on it, and it's used for like drying curly hair. Yeah. So they initially was going to send me their diffuser for me to try. However, after doing my little research on the company and going on their website and seeing all the other interesting looking heated tools they had, I figured it's 2023, it's a new year, I'm celebrating 10 years on YouTube, and I'm feeling a little spicy. Why not take this opportunity to straighten my natural hair? For real, for real. So I replied to TYMO and they were very excited about the idea. I was so excited that they sent me. Wait, let me take them up. Hold on. Five different heated tools. They literally said, your first time, here's options. Thank you TYMO for sponsoring this video. So let's open this small box first. We have here the TYMO Smoothing and Nourishing Hair Oil. So I'm going to put this right here because I definitely will be using this today. Next, TYMO Ring is a new generation tool for redefining hair straightener. It provides fast and easy solution to create straight, smooth, sleek looks. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the TYMO Ring Hair Straightening Comb. So my hair right now is freshly washed, it's clean, and it was prepped specifically for me straightening my hair today. So I did use my Olaplex Bond Building products and my Chi Heat Styling products. So I'm going to just add some leave-in conditioner. This is the Perfect 7-in-1 leave-in treatment. I'm going to just apply this to my hair before I start blow drying. Oh yeah, please note this is not a tutorial. Unless I didn't make it very clear before, it's my first time doing this, alright? My first time. So, just watch and be entertained. Thanks. So I'm going to now blow dry my hair with only the leave-in treatment in my hair, and then after my hair is blow dried, I'll add a little of the TYMO Nourishing Hair Oil, and then I'll use the straightening comb. So though I haven't straightened my own hair before, I have watched many videos of it. So I know that one of the first things you need to do is ensure to get your hair as straight as possible from the blow drying stage. So this is as straight as I can get it with my little amateur skills. Alright, and I like the movement. You see this? You see that? We're at the fun part. So here's what I'm gonna do. I am going to plug in my TYMO ring now. So the light is blinking. So I'm guessing it's going to continue blinking until it's heated and ready to go. Maybe I should have read the manual. Let me just skip through it real quickly. Real quick. Okay. Temperature level indicator, 5 levels. Yes. So there are 5 white dots and 1 blue dot. But the top white dot is blinking. What does that mean? Oh, okay. So while it's blinking at that specific level, it means that it's still heating up to get to that level. Okay. Okay.
Because reading is what?
Fundamental. So right now, all 5 levels are nice and lit. So I'm going to add 2 more pumps of this nourishing hair oil. 2 pumps. Because I mean, I do have quite a bit of hair. Just as I do with my other hair tutorials, I'm going to first section a piece of hair at the front so we can both see the initial results. Okay. Alright. Oh. Just a nice little piece, a nice little piece. Oh. Guys, I'm shaking, I'm nervous. I'm shaking, I'm nervous. Yes, 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 I'm nervous. From root to end. Guys, my hands are shaking. Ready? A moderate pace. Alright? Do you see those strands? They are straight. I need to stop touching though because I am nervous and my palms are getting sweaty. So I don't want to touch it too much because then my sweaty palms are going to cause my hair to revert, and we don't want that. Oh Jesus. Oh, all right. I can't calm down, look at it. Wow. All right, the first piece is done, so I'm now going to work from back to front, and let's finish up this hair. I hope I'm not going too slow. I am going to be in nervous wreck until the next wash day. Just know that. Just know that. Hair what? I might just be nervous for no reason whatsoever, but seriously, this is straightening my hair just a little too easily, a little too well. Like I am just passing it over, and it's getting real straight, and it's getting me a bit nervous. So as I move up towards my color treated hair, because color treated hair is a little more fragile, I'm going to turn down the temperature just 1. All right. So I am on level 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on level 4 now. If I see that it's not straightening as well, I will increase back the temperature up to level 5. Alright? I hope this don't turn me into a heat junkie, cause I'm feeling this. Like, for my little amateur self that never did this before, I'm loving this. Let's look at it now. From this to this. Let's do the next half. Alright, all 4 lights are stable now. Let's begin. Or let's continue. Before we do the final look, I just messaged my husband telling him that my hair is done and I want to go out. So let me go get ready. I love that my hair still has like body. Blood. Oh Lord! Because I was straightening my hair to the side, I didn't see my hair from the back. Leg, inches. I still need to clip a little bit of my ends, just a little bit. Before today, I was a little unsure about the state of my ends, but after fully straightening my hair and seeing how my ends look, I feel good. I feel good. My hair getting stuck in my lip gloss, guys. I apologize. I know. I straighten my hair and then I start acting funny. Oh, yeah. You know what? I want to bump the ends on though. Let's do that. Yep. Let's read the instructions. The Airflow 2-in-1 hair curler and straightener. Yeah. You hear that? Okay. So that's the fan. Ooh. Air is coming out through the holes. I thought it would just be heat from the plates inside, but no. Ooh, so there's a fan button. I'm glad I plugged this in on camera, so. See, the light is blue now. Ah! So that's for the fan. Okay, let's just try this. I'm just doing like big sections. Nothing too exciting. I just want the ends to bump under just like. Let me turn this down. Level 1. And I'm moving fast. Alright. Good. That's better. The only thing that could spoil up this entire experience for me is if my hair don't revert. Child, I'm just gonna be walking around like this. I'm just gonna be, hi, what's up? Oh yeah, oh yes, Sharon, how are the kids? Really? Yes, okay. Well, I'm going into the supermarket now, alright? So, catch you soon. Alright, yes, yes. Alright beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Thank you again TYMO Beauty for sponsoring this video. I really enjoyed the experience, like, sincerely. If any of you guys are interested in purchasing this product, I'll be sure to leave the link down in the description box, and there will also be a discount code in the description box as well. If this is your first time on my channel, I know you're tired of hearing me say this is my first time straightening my hair, so for some more natural hair content, I'll be sure to leave some more of my videos up in the iCards where you can watch more, see me do some weird styles to my hair, and curl my hair with anything but curlers. Like, seriously. I curl my hair with tissue paper, Q-tip, hairpins, anything but curlers. Let me know down below how you think I did for my first time straightening my natural hair. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Later.